Hello friends, this is Hannah Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. If you are liking the content which I am uploading, please like, share and subscribe my channel because it's a small channel and your support is crucial for us. Today's video is about the amazing idea of teen boys room. Teens are very difficult to please or to satisfy, and their unending energies and the type of environment they want is difficult to maintain or create. Today's video is about a plenty of ideas for teens room. There are different themes. If your teen is a bit precise, then there are rooms they are available which you can create for them. And if he's a sportsman, then too you can create a room which is games or sports oriented. For a book reader or a book lover, you can create a small and cozy reading space, a small library in the room. For an artist, you can opt for a theme where you can provide a space for painting, music, singing. For an astronaut or space lover, galaxies and space can be created in the room. Most of the teens are inspired by heroes, so heroes themes are also there. You can choose one type of hero theme, or you can choose multiple heroes and design the room according to them. There are the ones who are traveling lovers, so you can choose the world maps, the beautiful places of Earth, and decorate your room according to that. Some of them are sea lovers and they love the life under the sea, so you can opt for that. Galaxies, rooms, planets is also an amazing idea for a galaxy and space lover. Most of the boys in their teens are games oriented, so gaming, sports, or the specific sports they like if they are playing tennis, if they are playing cricket, football, hockey, whatever they are playing, you can create in their room with a specific theme, and they will love it. Organization is also an important issue in teens, so you have to create a proper storage space so they can store their luggage and not scatter that. They should have plenty of storage space. If they are in love with the video games, you can opt that theme too. For artists, you can create a beautiful wall, a corner where they can paint too, and where you can do uh, painting on full wall, and they can enjoy that. Color choices should be vibrant according to the energy they have. You can choose 2 or 3 color schemes for different walls. There are the ones who likes motorbikes. racing bikes, racing cars. You can choose your room themes according to that. A room theme is definitely bring player satisfaction and happiness in a teen's life because he is living in his dream world inside in his room. I hope you are liking the content which I'm uploading, so please like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so next time whenever we are uploading you can get the notification. And if there is something specific related to home decor which you want to watch, please write us in comment section and we will bring it next time. Thank you so very much.